Today I have a simple light bulb, but beside that simple is one smart light bulb. You can control this with Alexa, you can control this with Google, and with the free application without a Google, without Alexa. Now this one is 900 lumens. It's in RGB. It means go from white to any type of color. Only use 10 watts, but equal to 85. Imagine it's like 85 watt light bulbs, but only use 10. And it's 110 to 240. You can use this light bulb anywhere around the world. So right now we'll begin, and I show you how to configure this nice and cool light bulb. How we doing, everyone? This is Dario from MEDIABOXENT, and pretty quiet in the back of the back of the camera is Melina. So what do you think about these light bulbs, Melina?
I like it so much. This is a Wi-Fi LED light bulb, 900 lumens. It's compatible with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. And as I really want to say, this light bulb can really bring life to your house.
Yes, and we use this around the house. We have it everywhere. So comes with the simple to use manual, but you don't need it. I'll show you right now how the whole thing works. Right, how to get that. So we get the light bulb. It's a simple and a standard light bulb. That's what they call the E26 light bulb. So as we see, cool, we have this outdoor everywhere, and we see here this 110 to 40, 50 to 60 hertz RGB 27K. Wow, so let's plug it in. But before we do this, you're gonna grab your phone, either iOS or Android, and pretty simple. If we look at the box, even in the manual, right over here, grab your phone, scan that right there, the REQ code with the IQ code reader, and that sends you to the link, and that allow you to download the application. In my case, I use a Smart Live. You just go and Google on Apple and just scan a Smart Live, and that you can use a Smart Live to use as part of the learning skill on the Alexa. All right, so I'm going to run the Smart Live now. So if you see here, I have many devices and many different, many different light bulbs I can control. The studio can control about one of these things. So the first thing we need to do is, when you download your Smart Live application, again, it's simple and free, type of Smart Live. Then click that, and you see we have many devices here. So we're going to do lighting. We're going to check light bulb, and we click right there. Now, very important, this it requires 2.4 gigahertz, all these light bulbs. So make sure your modem or your router is dual band at 2.45 gigahertz. I would say today they are dual band, but if you got only 5 gigahertz and you never activate 2.4, you will have to activate the 2.4. Make sure you know the password as well. And sometimes some of those devices, when you get it from the cable company, they say 2 passwords, one for the 2.4 and one for the 5 gigahertz. So confirm is blinking, so we're gonna put it there, and this one is a 27K. All right, so we see right there. Let me see if we can get right there. So it's a warm light compared to 55K. So we see down the box it's RGB plus 27K. So as you see, it's not flashing, right? It says, okay, I make this thing flash. Pretty simple. You're gonna go off, on, off, on, off, and let's see, that will do it about 3 times. And see, so now it's blinking. All right, so we're gonna press continue, and to show you here, gonna put it in the side, that will drive me crazy. So you see here only supports 2.4 gigahertz. Please change network. So I'm gonna go change the network. Gonna use my guest network. That's connect. And now it knows my password. All right, so we click confirm, and let's put that into the side. We wait, and this will start blinking in a minute. Let's wait. It can take only a few seconds, up to 1 minute. Okay, you see right away, and there's one indication. So it's to go, and then it goes right away. All right, so if you see now, I find it. It's called a smart lamp Q9, but we can always change the name. Let's move this to the side for now. At this point, you choose anywhere you want this light bulb to be. So I'm going to use this in the kitchen. I'm going to put that in the kitchen. We can we can change the name, but we're going to leave it the smart lamp Q9. We're done, and now we have the light bulb here. So F, turn off here, turn off there. You see there? Now from here we can run a schedule, and you can schedule like the way I have it. You can run like it turns on dusk to dawn. You can set the time. You can if you want to set the Monday to Friday, on Friday nights you want to maybe stay on longer. You can do all those things from here. Now if you want to change colors, now from here, look, that's nice. It's that red. What we want? Purple. Look, purple. We want blue, is blue. We want green, is green. We want any color. Yellow, you can change all around. You can change the brightness of this. See? You can the saturation. You can mix this with the different colors, and that's pretty cool, right? Well, what I'm gonna do now, and you can do that through here, and I think we have it here, the Q9 light bulb. We leave it that color right now. Sure, the camera doesn't look as bright or as powerful color. That's because of the camera. But what I'm going to do, if you see here again in Alexa and Google, so we say it was called Q9, right? All right, so let's talk to Alexa. Alexa, turn off a smart lamp Q9. You see that? Right in the side, as we see in the camera, we have a Google there. Oh, okay, Google. Turn on a smart lamp Q9.
You got it. Turning smart lamp Q9 on.
See? You can even change color. Let's go this way. Okay, Google. A smart lamp Q9 blue color.
You got it. Changing smart lamp Q9 to blue.
Cool, right? So there is many things you can do with these light bulbs. You can have many one of this. You know, I have my chandelier where I can change color. Even if you go into this, into the smart life, it has scenes, so you can create scenes for leisure, for reading, for whatever you want. Now on the Alexa, it was pretty simple. Shut down because every time I say name is gonna. So pretty simple. When you go to Alexa, what you're gonna do is search, go into the configuration, and look for the learning skill. When you are in the learning skill, search for a smart life, and then click a smart life, accept the agreement, and that's it. When you create an account here, so the first thing you got to do is create an account on this smart life, and then sync it. And the same thing you're gonna do on Google. You're gonna go search for the device, and the application you're gonna pair with, it's gonna be your smart life. And then from there you can create groups. You can do the same thing with Alexa, Google, or you can use a combination. In my case, I use a combination of these three, or you can use all the devices. All right, guys, with this we'll complete the tutorial. Right below this video I will leave you the link for this cool light bulb. Thank you.